Question says for VHF signal broadcasting, dash kilometer square of the minimum service area will be covered by an antenna tower of height 30 meters. If the receiving antenna is placed on the ground, let the radius of the earth be this. So we have radius r to be equal to under root of 2hr. The area for the maximum line of sight distance now comes out to be pi r square, and r can be found out from over here, that is 2 root 2hr. So therefore area now comes out to be pi into 2hr. Substituting those values, we have pi's value as 3.14 into 2 into h, maximum height of the antenna, which is 30 meter, into r, that is radius of the earth, which is equal to 6400 into 10 raised to 3 meter square. So therefore area now comes out to be 1205.76 kilometer square. On rounding it off, we have 1206 kilometer square.